Introduction video. The coronavirus pandemic has led to a significant rise in the use of video conferencing platforms, and in particular, the Zoom platform. Zoom was popular with businesses before the pandemic, and it is sure to be even more popular afterwards. More and more business owners and individuals want to know how Zoom can help them to improve and grow their businesses. In this training, you will learn exactly what Zoom is and what it has to offer, as well as how you can use it effectively in your business. There is a bit of a learning curve with Zoom, and you will need to be willing to take the time to learn the most important features. You will find all of the most important setup and configuration details in this training. To get the most out of Zoom, you need to know what features are available and how to use them. You also need to understand all of the tips and tricks that Zoom masters use to get the best results from using the Zoom platform. We will reveal all in this powerful training. The Zoom webinar platform offers you a great opportunity to generate more leads and sales. It is essential that you set your webinars up in the right way and provide a high-value delivery so that your attendees will turn into your customers. We have the best strategies for you in this training. Keeping your audience engaged in your Zoom events is essential. You will find a number of proven tactics in this training to increase engagement. There are some great personal strategies you can use, as well as the Zoom built-in features.